ऑलिम्पिक पद्धतीचे रोबोटिक सर्तीत पहिल्या जागतिक आव्हानात गोयचे विद्यार्थी भारताचे प्रतिनिधित्व करतले, जातूंत 100 वयर देश वांटो घेतले। गोंयाक आपल्या कामगिरीन अभिमान करून दिल्या उपरांत आता हो पंगड ही गजाल विस्तारित करपाक लागला आणि हेर सांगाती तरणाट्या विद्यार्थ्यांक प्रेरित करपाक लागला। पळयात।
We feel really proud about being able to represent our nation, a complete nation who has such a diverse culture, has a population of around 1.8 billion people. It just feels very proud and mesmerizing to be able to go to Singapore. And our journey actually started in the month of June, where we represented ourselves as team Lego Goa, and we had participated in a competition conducted by STEM Education Trust, and it was basically like a challenge where we had to throw a tennis ball the farthest without utilizing any external energy, for which our team worked hard and built a device known as trebuchet. So our trebuchet launched a ball up to the distance of 27 meters, and we had interviews after that. We cleared all 4 of our interviews, and we were henceforth known as Team India. So it's just a big deal. It's a huge thing to represent a nation.
We have used PVC pipes, L and T-shaped connectors, nuts and bolts. We also have used newspaper and masking tape.
Raise the weights and we are using the potential energy and converting it to the kinetic energy.
The weight being kept on the axle makes the entire contraption fall in front. So it moves in a circle around the pivot and then is launched over here. Now, yay! Our trebuchet launched the tennis ball 27 meters. Yay!
7 ते 10 ऑक्टोबर मजगती जावपी पहिली ग्लोबल चॅलेंज ऑलिम्पिक स्टायल रोबोटिक सर्तीन भारताचे प्रतिनिधी करपा खातीर टीम लेगो गोवन्स ऑक्झियमचे अपूर्व काटकर, केंद्रीय विद्यालय बांबोळी, अथर्व साळगांवकर, आग्नेल आश्रम बेर्णा, साई प्रवण गांधी, शारदा मंदिर स्कूल मिरामार, विराज मराठे, KB हेडगेवार स्कूल साखळी आणि व्यंकटेश टेंपे, शारदा मंदिर स्कूल मिरामार हांची निवड जाल्या बद्दल सभागृहात तांचे अभिनंदन करता।
I am Venkatesh Dempo and I study in Sharda Mandir School, Standard 8th.
I am Atharv Sakolkar and I am doing first year mechanical diploma in Father Agnel Verna.
My name is Apurva Katkar. I study in class 10th in Kendriya Vidyalaya Bambalam.
My name is Sai Pranav Gandhi and I study in 8th standard in Sharda Mandir School.
My name is Viraj Vishwanath Marathe and I study in 8th standard at Dr. KB Hedgewar Vidya Mandir, Karapur, Tisk.
We worked as a team together, freestyle, as time passed by we got to know each other more and we were more comfortable to share each other the problems we faced while making the robot, designing and each and every process. So by all the passing time we have been doing good with each other and we will be continuing to.
So our parents supported us a lot and they told us to pursue our dream, and our school also gave us support. The Directorate of Education sent a letter to our schools and our school has granted us leave for until the competition gets over.
We'll be flying to Singapore on 5th. The event is from 7th to 10th October.
GOA365 खातीर विन्सन रोजारियो, सुभाशिश गोवेकार आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।